Hello and welcome to my channel, Stu Reviews, where I test the bold claims of manufacturers one gadget at a time. And I do this through unboxing. Cool your life, apparently. It's telling me to cool my life in the slogan. Detailed product analysis. They have 36mm drivers and just generally taking things a little bit too far.
I'm going to try shooting it with this.
So with that said, let's dive in to what you can expect from Stu's Reviews. Tough armoured cases. The Mavic Trad-Free 07 HD that was first introduced to consumers back in 2014. With a brushed metal finish, skin of a snake. This is where the Honor Band 4 stands out.
So I need Sam to hold it whilst I shoot it. Oh God. Oh dear.
Case that these headphones come in. As for the headphones themselves,
Doesn't work!
it can be driven under 3 speed settings and can handle
40 now, 40 now, 40 now. Woo! 40 now. The drone can indeed go at 40.
It's got something called thermalite insulation technology.
We've lost a bit of water. We're losing it. We're losing it.
Why would someone send me a bath mat?
They tend to throw it on the ground and you know, I've got it right here and I'll just give it a quick drop.
This is truly one of the nicest looking smartwatches.
And look at that. It's actually working.